Hey folks, I'm back for another episode. This one is kind of an informative episode. If any of you have ever had run across this, let me show you what I'm doing here. I'm turning on my signal, and if you notice, all I get probably can't see it, but right here notice that? I don't know if you can see it or not. Anyhow, what happens is I have my turn signals, all my lights, except for my headlights, are LED. When I did that, it sort of locks the system, kind of. In other words, you basically have to buy, most of the time, most people do this, buy a special solid state relay, signal relay. This is the one that came with it. I bought a new one that was a solid state, but what I've found out since was, let me show you outside here, and this solves the problem. What I did was I came out here and I found my that's my run lights. This is my left blinker, and this is my right blinker. Right blinker, left blinker, and run lights. And then that is a resistor, and I hooked a resistor up to each wire, and then I hooked those wires up to a ground. Yes, a ground. Just like that. Alright. Then you go back upstairs, or back in the vehicle. And you turn the blinker back on again, and voila, it works. Basically, what you're doing is, since LEDs don't have any resistance to them, or very little, don't take much power to power them up, you need resistance in order for the relay to work. And by adding those resistors in line, and yes, those were the hot wires. Those were the hot wires for the left and right blinkers. So you hook the relay into them, or the resistor into them, and then you hook them to ground. So that way it causes resistance and it fixes your problem. I just thought folks out there might be interested in this to help them fix their system or get it running right, rather than buying a solid state relay, which is what I did. But now I'm going to use the solid state relay in another area. But anyhow, I just figured if something might help somebody out right now that's trying to fix their problem. Anyhow, appreciate you watching. Subscribe, and then hit that little bell right next to the subscribe button, and then most importantly, share and like. And then be safe, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.